So welcome back to another video. Today, this is Josie.
This is not another video.
This is the video, and this is Josie right here. He's really cute. It's a Mrs. Or Mrs.
I call her
Mrs. Josie.
She's a Mrs.
No.
Ms. Josie.
Mrs. Josie.
No, Miss Josie. But there's also Kilty with us.
She's not as scared as Josie. Josie loves company with her, and she follows people a lot. Kilty's drinks like some Kilty. You won't see her purr a lot because Kilty kind of scared, but now he's being good at her. He's being like.
This is not Kilty, right?
This is Miss Josie.
Yeah, this is Miss Josie. You can put extra hair on her.
And please, if you like Josie, please like this video.
Okay, like it.
Subscribe down below. and she's really cute.
Okay, have a good day.
And bye, everybody. See you later.